Hello, members of the Operations Management class. This is Tekle Bonore, your professor, and I want to demonstrate briefly how you can apply exponential smoothing method when you do a forecast. Here I have example for you, a simple example. Here you have data for 6 months. All right, data is given for 6 months. I want to delete whatever is unnecessary here or that you want to be given. Or here period 1 is month 1 2 3 4 5 6, so you have actual data for month up to month 6. And to do an exponential smoothing, you have to have an initial condition, and that is you have to know the forecast for the starting period. If it is not given, you have to assume it is the same as the actual, but in this case you are given. Notice you are specifically given now 785 as your forecast for period 1. And for the formula you need alpha value, and I picked 0.4. It could be anything between 0 and 1. So to do forecast for period 2, I just go in there, say equal to, the formula says equal to the previous period forecast plus alpha, which is going to be the same in every case. So I fix that one by putting a dollar sign, or F4. It puts a dollar sign times open parentheses, open bracket, minus the previous period actual minus the previous period forecast, which you already used once, and hit return. Now look at the formula carefully. You have F1 is the forecast for period given, period 1 already given, B2 is the actual for period 1, and C2 is the forecast for period 1. Now don't worry about the column here. The Excel already gave us numbers for periods, but the periods that we care about are in the A column, month 1 2 3 4 5. So all you need to do is, once you have done this correctly, be careful that it is done correctly, you can drag it down up to 7, and look at this, you have the period 7 forecast. Just to be sure it is correct, pause for a moment and look back. Okay, so it takes F1 alpha, it is correct. B7 is actual for the previous period, correct. Forecast for the previous period, correct. C6. So that way you have a forecast for period 7. Notice something, a limitation of exponential smoothing or a moving average or weighted moving average. They can only give you one next period forecast. So in this case, period 7's forecast will be 778. I hope this helps somehow, and let me have any questions. Have a wonderful moment. Bye.